Sini joto media semua, kalau joto nasi wo, sengtina orang family, tapi sini rally family, kasih naharmung sini illegal immigrants Bangladesh state Rohingyas ni, jadi sengapun detect, deport, kaya baru tasya Bangladesh orang ni bagai. So sengtina orang honorable CM of government of Tripura, Chief Minister, bono seng through SDM, Jampuijala hoite kaisa memorandum rohasaka, and both us how in thapnoi thik ase action nanai, and to mono action naya hingkangge abas sung season nai, tamni bai Tripura action nai jagya, karon jota jaga hai Assam hai jaga Uttar Pradesh hai jaga, tomo jaga umnoti government of India ne hoite 19 May was the first declaration di jaga, the Home Affairs, Home Minister Amit Shah ni hoite, abun bai sung tili jota Tripura haste bo, ini monoti bo, sung jaga bo, ini om memorandum jaga itu, de Tripura bahino detect, deport of illegal immigrants and Rohingyas from Tripura.
SDM ni bukhati bawa hero borok sana. Oh am cahaya tu de tong bawa hero.
Oh am cahaya tu de tong kerei. Abu borok tu nai. Ebong public borok tu nai. Tumu nom hiking tong hangan ke. Kuno dina pun sen Bangladesh te Rohingyas ono. Oh jauh pun am te siap berjak lag je Tripura hase tong ni. Karon Tripura angka mostly drastically sen occupied by illegal immigrants. Oma agini simin coba khai fayu, senjata sini Tipra sarok sen coba khai fayu, sini 1968 aku ni simin sen PSF PU jes ni hadis oma coba oma kebo peroksa individual coba ya mo, joto entire as a whole Tipra sini coba ngai, mo tini senjata coba khai tengok, and oma coba success dang nong jawab senia, piaba, neng dinya Tipra sa, neng babo aro logi mar ngai, but sen tin lukha, kabang ma government of India ni Home Minister ni hoite jepur declaration jaka BJP ni Janajati Morcha chup. Or Congress ni chup, even or CPM ni to totally chup, because drastically Singnuko in the past CPM regime after no Bangladesh ni job or Boro Panyado, we are surrounded by Ha. Ambai Az or one of Bangladesh aska family Yagolo, Singkini, Boro Bang Chukatomo, Tipra Motha, YTF TW no Kaisa Korantis Awitomo, about illegal immigrants no go back, detect, delete and deport Kanyani Bagasi. About Tomuno government of Tripanaya and Gangankai, abo sung government of India was later on like those kind of fight kind of hayake abo kuno tamo kuno solution ni bising asing ya isi government of Tripura boro tini abo initiative na hangkai boro abo knowingly khai tong haisi obno sitoi obno detect khaya deport khaya and Tripura abo sudu thuruk bo song nizimina illegal immigrants ya haisi Hindu Bengali bo kabang matong haisi 1971 liberation war kabang mahabjak abo sungjoto shiusin Tripura hastani kahini sin itahas sungjoto shiu haisi kintu ozaro point government of Tripura only for vote bank politics ni bai wang to hangai sung abo boro government of India ni boro kuno responsibilities na yang mani abo to sai bonu jana haisi
Trinishmi nai tabuk to already almost 1 month kana nai to 19 June ngen 1 month kana jeta notification homa yak Bobo hai coba Tipra sarok hai man jadi nomono protokol karya hantle.
Si abunang koina musungo sini media sini bising tin Tipra sarong. Tipra Motha YTF TW simi coba hai ka coba saksang lakasi. Nang saksak oh Tipra hani busa Tipra sangai na nang BJP ni kalar nang CPM ni kalar na Congress ni kalar na Trinamool ni kalar nang saksak wan chui tong hankai. BJP ni Janajati Morcha to until unless bong ni oh Tripura ni jet tongnai borok kok sai ka borok chu buku para selected theza khaisi. Same wise, Jitendra Chaudhary, Manik Shah Chong, Jaipur Saka Borbo Selected Thezakaisi. Sung, Tipra Sar ni bagai Kok Ri Fayo Bobagran Netrite, Bobagran leadership of Sung Agibos House, Tipra Sana Hamkai ni bagai, Tipra Sana permanent solution ni bagai. So apa ni bagai Tipra Motha simi daik to yamo, being a Tipra Sana ni CPM pan kaiting, BJP pan kaiting, Congress pan kaiting ni no daik to haisi. And kabangma tini Tipra Sawa STCL Congress of Tong, Haja Kok saya ko haisi. Tini coba angkaya angkor di haisi. Only for vote bank politics di bai simi khayo hangang kan kai bas kanga apa public me job apa nai barong